I've been waiting for this moment. The minute you step out, you'll be all wet. Ha 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 ha.
Hey Kipper.
Yeah, Zoe Blue?
Remember the song trick we tried earlier?
Do we remember the song? Of course.
What if we all did it at once?
Zoe Blue. You're a genius. If we all sing rain, rain, go away, while clapping our hands all together, that rain cloud might go away for good.
What?
Okay everyone, ready? Here we go.
Rain,
rain,
go away.
Come
again some other day.
Stop it. I don't want to hear that song anymore.
Louder.
Rain, go away. Come again some other day.
Fast and loud.
Rain, go away. Come again
some other day.
Ugh, 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 ugh. That's it. I can't take it anymore. You win. I'm never coming back here again.
That was fun. Let's go home now.
We did it. The rain cloud is gone.
Hooray!
I'm so glad he's gone.
So, what happens now?
Well, Chloe the clock, soon a rainbow is going to appear outside in the backyard.
A rainbow.
Yep, follow me.
So when is the rainbow going to come out?
If we count down from 3, that's when it will appear.
Really?
Yup. You'll join us for the countdown, right? You will? Great. Alright, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
1.
Look up there.
Yeah.
Right. I've always wanted to see a rainbow like this.
Me too.
With lovely colors.
I know. Beautiful.
Great job everyone. That has to be the most beautiful rainbow we have ever seen. Thanks so much for helping us out with our wet situation, and we couldn't have figured out Zoe Blue's clues without you. Come on, won't you help me say so long? Everybody sing the goodbye song. Ready? Here we go. Bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Sweet potato. Bye. Thanks again.
See you next time.